equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These will help you safely open your laptop and inspect the charging port without causing any damage. First, power off your Dell Inspiron and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the charging port on the motherboard. Inspect it visually for any signs of damage, such as bent pins or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use the can of compressed air to clean the area gently. This can often resolve charging issues caused by poor connections. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of traveling. Next, check the connection between the charging port and the motherboard. Ensure that it is secure and not loose. If it appears damaged, you may need to consider a replacement. At this point, it's wise to get a professional diagnosis without obligation to assess the extent of the damage. After inspecting the charging port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Finally, power on your laptop and connect the charger to see if the issue has been resolved. If the laptop still does not charge, it may be time to seek further assistance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, checking the charging port on your Dell Inspiron involves a few simple tools and steps. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues and extend the life of your device. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.